Once upon a time, on a chilly iceberg far, far away, lived a curious little penguin named Pippa. Pippa wasn't like the other penguins. While her friends loved sliding on their bellies and swimming in the icy waters, Pippa had a different passion. She loved exploring. Every day, Pippa would waddle around the iceberg, wondering what might be hiding in the nooks and crannies of the ice. One crisp morning, as Pippa was wandering, she noticed something shiny peeking out from under a snowdrift. What could that be? She thought, her tiny flippers excitedly brushing the snow away. To her surprise, she found a beautiful, sparkling seashell. But how did a seashell get all the way out here on the ice? Pippa was determined to find out. She ran to her best friend, Wally the walrus, who was lounging nearby. "Wally, look what I found!" Pippa exclaimed, holding the seashell proudly. Wally squinted at the shell and smiled. "That's a rare treasure, Pippa. It must have washed up from the deep sea. Maybe it came from a secret island," Wally said with a wise nod. Pippa's eyes widened. "A secret island? Let's go find it." With Wally's help, Pippa slid into the water, and they swam together through the icy waves. They dove under the surface, exploring the ocean floor, discovering colorful fish and playful seals along the way. After a long journey, they found it. A hidden island covered in soft sand and palm trees swaying gently in the breeze. Pippa couldn't believe her eyes. She had discovered a new world, all because of her curiosity and bravery. From that day on, Pippa knew that adventures were always waiting, if you were brave enough to explore.